nobody. Okay, time to roll over there. Another morning, another glory. Fishing with Conil from Sakura and their jig head, which fits perfectly on this no action lure body. Let it sink a bit and then start to jig it. Here she goes. Nice. 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 Such a good feeling with this 20-gram Trinis. Oh, it's a nice fish. Is it a bluefish? I think it's a bluefish here. I think it's a learfish. No, it's a bluefish. Oh shit. Shit. She'll snap it. No. No, don't snap it. Don't snap it. Don't snap it. Snap it. Yeah. Be on surface. Be like this. Ah, Jesus Christ. Oh, oh man. What the hell? Oh. Okay. So I caught my first bluefish on the soft plastic. Ah, fuck, don't. Jesus, I almost had a... She almost bit my finger off, shit. It's a nice sea bass. Oh, Jesus Christ. No way. Jesus Christ. Pooey. Okay, this is also a good one. Okay. No. You're coming with me again. She's not ready yet to give up, I guess. Okay. Okay, baby. Oh, she's barely hooked. She's barely hooked now. Oh, shit. No, man. Okay. All right. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, I have a nice bluefish on my... Just hope that the other ones will not... Oh, Jesus. Oh, This is a good bluefish, a good one. But there is a lot of other ones also inside. Oh Jesus Christ! Okay, sorry buddy. Unbelievable. Fucking unbelievable. This was a beast. It was over 5 kilo for sure. I just hope that the big learfish will not take this lure on this rod, because this is my new lure. I just got it and I don't want to lose it like in first fishing. I'm chasing a few days here a huge lure. Here she is. Oh yeah, I saw her. Thought I saw her, and there she was. A big ass learfish. Okay. There, oh Jesus Christ. These are a big bluefish. Big bluefish. Hi everybody. Welcome back. First, sorry for not putting for a very long time nothing on my YouTube channel. I was a bit out. It's been a rough start of the year for me, and I just made a small pause from fishing and from filming and from photography. But as you can saw, I have started the spring season, and I've been very successful in this trip. But you know, I also been very unlucky. I hooked some big fish, but I lost them. I'm not pleased with this video because I made a bunch of very fuzzy clips. I had a problem with batteries. So I think it's just because I made a longer pause. I was a bit out of the shape filming, you know. It's been a bit harder for me, but I'll try my best to be much better in next video. Yeah, so sorry guys for unquality video, and that's it. We start a new season on the sea. I think it's going to be a lot of action, but you know, you never know. Maybe it's not going to be that much action, but it started pretty good. For this video, for this fishing session, I have been using Sakura rods. I have been using Trinis medium light long range rod for light fishing, and I have been using Golden Bay Gops Sakura extra heavy 150 grams rod for my kayak fishing for bigger lures. So the next fishing session is sandy flats, how to fish them, and what lures to use in different situations. So that will be the next fishing tutorial slash vlog slash something. Here she goes. That is it for now, guys. I wish you best luck on the water or wherever you be, and yeah, see you guys next time.